Trump's lawyers were back in a Fort Pierce courtroom today, attempting to get the Mar-a-Lago documents case dismissed. As WPTV's Dave Bowman tells us, they argued the appointment of a special prosecutor in that case was illegal.
Most of the arguments were very technical. Some might argue hair-splitting. But Donald Trump's lawyers came out swinging when they asked the judge to dismiss the documents case. Judge Eileen Cannett's decision is not expected soon. In court, neither side mentioned the classified documents at the center of the case, and former President Donald Trump was not attending. His lawyer, Emil Bove, argued the appointment of Special Prosecutor Jack Smith was illegal because it was not approved by the U.S. Senate. Bove likened the special prosecutor's office to a shadow government, people operating without authorization or accountability. Representing the special prosecutor's office, Attorney James Pierce warned a dismissal of the documents case would have pernicious consequences, adding there was nothing improper about Smith's appointment.
I thought Judge Cannon asked very fair questions of both sides.
Attorney Josh Blackman represents the Landmark Legal Foundation. It's one of three conservative groups filing friend of the court briefs agreeing that the classified documents case against former President Trump should be dismissed.
Traditionally, special counsels were appointed to go after high-ranking government officials. So January 6th, Trump was president. He was such a high-ranking official. But with the Mar-a-Lago case, Trump was out of office. He was not a high-ranking official. So this entire prosecution doesn't fit the mold of past ones.
Judge Eileen Kennett, who is a Trump appointee, has ruled against Mr. Trump's lawyers in past hearings. But her critics say holding these hearings in and of itself is unnecessary, and they say it is just adding to the delays that make this trial highly unlikely to take place before the November elections. In Fort Pierce, Dave Bowman, WPTV News Channel 5.